Struggling with Outlook crashes due to file issues? Don't worry. Here's how to prevent and fix them fast. 1. Run Outlook in safe mode. Close Outlook. Press Windows plus R. Type outlook.x/safe and click OK. 2. Disable Outlook add-ins. If Outlook runs smoothly after opening Outlook in safe mode, disable problematic add-ins using the following instructions. Click on File. Access Options. Select Add-ins. Select COM add-ins and click on Go. Uncheck all Outlook add-ins and click on OK. 3. Repair corrupted PST or OST files. Locate the scanpst.exe tool. Run scanpest.exe, select your PST or OST file and click Repair. Reopen Outlook to check if the issue is resolved. 4. Compact your mailbox. In Outlook, go to File. Click on Account Settings and select Account Settings. Go to the Data Files tab. Select your Outlook data file. Click on Settings and choose Compact now. Update Outlook. Go to File. Access Office Account. Click on Update Options and select Update Now. Install any available updates to ensure you're running the latest version. Alright, that's a wrap. With just a few steps, you can keep Outlook stable and avoid file-related crashes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to help out. For more detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips, check out the link in the description below.